Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder quality into a Vivo Y76 5G. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into shortcuts and accessibility option, this one. Next, go into first option, S capture, and now here we got screen recorder block. So here we got picture quality, tap it and choose your quality. For example, we want to hide, so select this option, select high option, and it's saved automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.